Hey, welcome to our channel. Yes, this is my blue eyes bracelet. People sell their own for 50,000 naira, 35,000, but I made the luck. I sell my own for 15,000 naira. It's for protection, it's for favor, it's for love, attraction, favor. Yes. So, if you are just seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. And please remember to subscribe to our channel. Just click the subscribe button and you'll be a family member. Step into this family and let us work together. Because on this family we cooperate with each other. Your problem is my problem and my problem is your problem. This is not just a blog where I come and do my eye like this for you. No, I come here because we have issues. I have problem, you have problem. I will look for a way to solve our problems in a simple way without necessarily going out of the will of God. Yes, guys, please, today I want to talk to us about why your enemies are prevailing over you. Yes, why your enemies are succeeding over you and what you need to do to stop them from prevailing over you. Yes, see, in life, we have different and diverse experiences. Yes, and some things happen to us for a reason. And some things happen to us because of our own ignorance and our own negligence. Yes, so today we want to look into these things that happens to us and why is it that our prayer seems as if it's not being answered. So this video today is going to take care of that. So please, for those who have been you watching my video and leaving me halfway, please stay with me to the end of this video because I really want to open our eyes and give us understanding. See, spirituality is all about having knowledge. It's not about you carrying this cinnamon powder, carrying this salt, carrying that one, and using this oil alone. Spirituality is about knowledge. When you have knowledge of what is happening to you, you will solving that problem will not be a problem again. Yes, but if you don't know what is actually wrong with you, you'll be moving in circles and you'll be spending more money, yes, than you're supposed to. So guys, please stay with me. I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, you're welcome back from that time out. Yes, levels. See, I'm owing you guys a song. Hey, I'm going to sing. Yes, now I'm going to celebrate 100k subscribers. To God be the glory. Thank you and thank you and thank you. All right, now I want to talk to us about why our enemies are prevailing over us. Yes, because they prevail over you. One, because you are ignorant. Ignorance can be defined as a situation whereby you take things on face value. You commonize things. When they happen to you, you think, I dreamt today, I ate. Hey, bros, this food I chop today. Be like say, may I go dream, go to eat. You understand? You are eating constantly in your dream. As you're eating constantly in your dream, let me tell you, that food that you're eating in your dream, the food has name. It may look like rice, it may look like bread, it may look like meat or whatever, but they have spiritual name. It could be setback, it could be limitation, it could be bad luck, it could be disfavor, it could be sickness. And even sicknesses, man, they have name. Some they will write typhoid, some they will write malaria. You are in America, you are in Switzerland, you are in Germany, you are in UK, and you're suffering from malaria. There's no mosquito bite, nothing, but you are suffering from malaria. You have never paused to think, that what is happening? When any sickness pass, like COVID, like all those kind of sicknesses, flu, whatever, it will never pass you by. Why? Why is it that your body is like a magnetic field, always magneting sickness? Yeah? You want to jog in a valley, maybe just halfway, maybe innocent one, just contact incurable disease. Why? You don't know. You don't know that the enemies are constantly looking for how to send sickness and disease, miserability into your life. There are some sicknesses that you go to the hospital, they will diagnose you, and then they will tell you the name. They will tell you this thing, you're suffering from so and so. They give you one kind of big medical name like that. Meanwhile, the sickness is an affliction. You will treat and treat, it will not go. But when you take care of it spiritually, it will go. Now, that is a digression. I want to talk to you about why what we call spiritual loopholes again. Yes, because I uploaded a video talking about spiritual loopholes. Some of us, we didn't watch that video. Yes. So how can I have 100,000 subscribers and only 20-something thousand people watched a video? It means you guys didn't watch it. You need to know spiritual things so that when you know, then you'll be able to win the battle of life. Spiritual loophole is a situation whereby your enemy will look for a reason to attack you without repercussion. Yes, because anything that you do spiritually against somebody, it has repercussion. Yes, that is why at times somebody will call me and then I'll be asking the person some stupid questions. Yes, let me just call it that because that is what you call it. I'll be asking you some questions. Yes, and at times you will call me and be telling me so person did this to you, did that to you, this and that, this, that. While you are talking, I am also seeing you, your own fault, where you erred, but you will cover it and be telling me the side that will make me to rise up and support you so that we can fight the battle together. When you go into that kind of battle, you won't win. And there will be a repercussion bouncing back to you. So you see me asking you questions. You are a very fightysome, let me use that word, fightysome woman. You are very quarrelsome. You are a troublemaker. Why did you say this? He said, no, see, I said that to him because he was telling me so and so. You know, you need to understand, Medilock, that house is a house of war. I say, you see, but when you were telling me, you say people were fighting, people hate you, people do this and that. But you were not telling me your own part. Even a goat in your house will hate you because of who you are. So let us work on you first. It is who you are at times that gives loopholes to your enemies to attack you. Point number 1. If you are somebody that is extremely wicked, you don't have mercy, you don't have love, you don't have affection, the enemy can use it as a loophole to attack you. You don't have forgiveness. So you should have the heart of forgiveness. Have the heart of love. You understand? Be merciful. Because even the word of God said, I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy. I will have compassion on whom I will have compassion. You see? So, if you have mercy on your enemies, God will have mercy on you. And when mercy of God is on you, the enemy cannot take your name to any coven and fight you and win. Your name will be a bomb in their kingdom. They will not be able to get you. Yes. Then, Also, when you are looking for trouble, you hurt people knowingly. You are a guy. You dated this lady for years. You promise her marriage, promise her heaven and earth. Then, because you met another lady that is more naturally down than her, or maybe you felt you have jogged enough in her valley, you needed a new valley, a fresh valley. You dump her. Then, you just break her heart without looking back. And you think you go free. You won't go scot-free now. That other place you are going. Nature, loopholes will gather things for you enough that will hurt you. You are a woman. You are eating a man's money. You are deceiving a man because you think you can just do and do. If you know you don't want to marry a man, don't promise him. This is where, because I have a lot of cases on my hand that is as a result of this. No matter how old or young you are, you can have issues when you do like this. Tell a man, I don't love you for marriage. I don't want to marry you. Yes. Don't promise him anything. If you're dating him, you're dating him for dating sake. If you want to marry him, then you tell him you want to marry him. But don't just, Shukudi, I'll marry you. Emeka, I love you. I will marry you. I will give you everything. I will be the mother of your children. This and that. Then in your heart, though, you are promising Raphael, who is in US, marriage. Meanwhile, Emeka that is in Onitsha, here, is spending money on you, sponsoring you in school, expensive school. At the end of the day, when you graduate after NYSC, you stop picking Emeka's call. You stop talking to him. Then you will go and wed with Raphael and go to US. And you think Emeka don't even need to do anything to you because you have crossed the line of loopholes. So while you are in the process, you know you don't love Emeka anymore. Tell him, Emeka, I'm sorry, I don't love you anymore. I don't think I will be able to marry you. Tell him like that. Yes. Clean up your mess before you step into another place so that you will scale through the law of loophole. Loophole is real. Some of the things that are happening to us now is because of that, of this kind of spiritual loopholes. And the enemy, when they want to attack you, at times they will say things. Because of this and this, because of that and that so person has done or has said, that is why I am coming to attack him or her. And I want so thing to befall him, because so thing to befall. See, when he put the alligator pepper in his mouth or her mouth and chew this thing and decree this thing, it will happen. Why? Because you have created the loophole. You understand? So, guys, let us learn. It is not all about rubbing coconut oil. It's not all about rubbing cinnamon. You rubbing cinnamon powder and rubbing coconut oil for any spiritual case or breaking egg and whatever. It is not enough. You have to have the knowledge first. Once you have the knowledge, nobody. You are not a witch, but they'll say, this one now, when she be? This one don't pass her levels. When they are attacking you before in your dream, they will start coming in the physical. You see that snake will start coming. A bed will start showing up on your car, on your roof, on your window. Why? Because they have been coming in the spirit, they cannot get you again. You see snakes will start crawling around you. Why? Because they've been coming in the dream, they couldn't get you, so they are coming in the physical and they will lose the battle. Yes, let's make our hands clean, okay? Make our path straight, and then the spiritual loopholes will not hold us guilty. Thank you. I will come your way again in another video tomorrow. Bye.